guys, thank you for watching Fair Food Kitchen. We really appreciate you joining us on this journey through food. If you are enjoying our videos, please stay tuned to the end for a very special giveaway. So the first thing we're going to do is get a spoon, and we have 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to pour that in the bowl. And we have 2 tablespoons of honey. This honey was given to me by my daughter. Her friend has a little honey farm, a little bee farm. And then we have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I like the coarse Dijon. So we're going to go ahead and add that in. And of course, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is organic maple syrup. I like the real stuff. Mix that in, and then we are going to add 1/2 cup of apple juice. Mix that. And then all you're going to do is mix it in. Get everything combined. It smells yummy. Just like that. That's how easy it is. Then what you want to do is we are going to spoon in the sauce in between the layers and get a little bit of the sauce between each of the layers so it gets flavor in every bite. And you just slowly scoop it in. Let me see if I have a bigger spoon. This is one of those easy recipes that you can make during Easter. And it frees up, using the Instant Pot, it frees up your oven. So if you are cooking other dishes or have family members coming over to cook, your oven is free for everyone to use it, or for you to use it for other dishes. If you make this recipe, you'll have to let me know what everyone is saying during Easter. Comment. Give me a heads up, give me a thumbs up, what you think. I've already made this a few times and I'll be making it again for Easter. Pour it all over. Look how delicious. So with that, all we're going to do is lift the lid, and we are going to put 1 cup of apple juice into the bottom. And I have the trivet in here, and we are going to set the ham on the trivet. And you're going to take the delicious sauce that we just dumped over it, and we're going to just pour it right in. And that alone is going to turn into another sauce. Afterwards, we could just dump it over. It's so delicious. You're going to put the lid on. Hear the music. And we are going to set it for 15 minutes. Then we're going to let it naturally release for about 12 minutes. And it is perfect every time. I'll take it out and slice a little bit and show you how it looks. Pour a little sauce on it. It's going to be delicious. So we went ahead and cooked the ham for 15 minutes, naturally released it for 12. You can see that the little doohickey is down, and we took the rest of the air out. We could go ahead and open it. Okay. Woo! Look at that. So hot. It looks delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my little Krabby Patties out. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just lift it out and put it right on the plate because it's very hot. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh my goodness. This is why this trivet comes so handy, because you could just pick it right up and place it on your plate. I'll go ahead and move it in a minute. You could go ahead and hit saute and reduce the liquid down so you could pour it over. I'm going to go ahead and just show you what this looks like. Let me take it off. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. It's super hot. Make sure you're careful. Whew. Put that over to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put some of the liquid on there. Like I said before, you can reduce it down, but I'm going to go ahead and use it just as it is. It's sweet, savory, it's moist. Remember that we layered it on each slice, so you're going to get the flavor in between, just like that. I'll go ahead and take a little bite just to show you how wonderful it is, and because I really want to try it. Let's put this over. Oh, this is going to be a hit on your Easter morning or evening when you celebrate. It falls apart. Woo, hot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was so good. You cannot go wrong with that. If you like this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. We would love to hear what you have to say. I would love to hear what you have to think about this recipe because I adore it. So please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. As a thank you for watching Bear Food Kitchen, we would like to thank our viewers with a special gift. We are doing a giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is comment on this video and then comment on one of the other Bear Food Kitchen videos, one of your favorites, and we will be releasing the winner's name at the end of May. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and good luck, and thank you so much on this journey through food with us.